going to make foamy volcano experiment. For that we need 2 packets of Eno, water and shampoo. First we pour water. It's gonna come out. Come out. Come out, you. Okay. It goes nothing. And let's make it colorful with some food color. It's going to make a blue volcano. Right, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
The moment of truth. Go! Wow, it's a little bit blue, Mommy. Wow, Mommy, a blue volcano. Mommy, we made a blue volcano, Mommy. Whoa. This has happened because when Eno added to the water, it actually makes a reaction to make carbon dioxide bubbles. But the carbon dioxide bubbles turn into soap liquid carbon dioxide bubbles. That when it come out, it make bubbles volcano. It's foamy. Thank you.